Hey guys, did you know I started my business just 5 years ago sa garahe lang namin with limited capital? Now, we have 4 branches and we're expanding to Cebu, to Davao, Cagayan, and Iloilo. Guys, this video is not just my story, it's proof that if I can do it, you can too. I am Alvin Tubog, founder of Boon Pharma Corporation and Bambang Pharmaceutical Depot Inc. On this channel, we talk about business, politics, growth, no fluff, just real value. Today, I'll share with you how I scaled from a small garage setup, parang sari-sari level lang, into a national distributor and how you can scale your business too. I started in our garage with very limited resources, maliit na space, and just under 300K na puhunan. I was scared, very scared, kasi alam ko there were already big players in the pharma industry. Yung iba, 20 years na, 40 years, or more. Established na talaga sa industry. But I told myself, why not? Baka may space pa naman for someone who does things differently. Most people kasi, I've noticed, stop dreaming because they think maliit sila. But I always say, start small, but think big. I focus on how to serve customers better kahit maliit pa ako. So what did I do differently? First, I invested in creating attractive graphics and content. I posted and boosted them on Facebook and other social media platforms, targeting customers nationwide agad. So kahit maliit ang business mo, if you look professional online, people will trust you. Kaya in just few days since opening ng business sa garage namin, nationwide agad ang market exposure namin. At napakabilis ng paglaki ng business. Second, I trained our CSRs or customer service representatives to provide not just good but excellent, super friendly customer service para maramdaman ng clients na valued sila. Hindi lang basta benta, benta lang. Kaya dumami agad ang nagiging suki. Third, I offered multiple payment options. With us, you can pay in GCash, cash, PayMaya, cards, bank transfer. You have to make it easy for customers to buy from you. Fourth, we went to provide extra miles pagdating sa sourcing. When customers order, we make sure makukumpleto ang purchase orders nila, even if we need to source from different partners. We don't just sell, we provide solutions, right? Fifth, when we finally had the chance to establish a store in a commercial area, I created a unique walk-through grocery-style depot store. So instead na traditional counter setup lang, ginawa kong parang self-service. Something very uncommon sa pharmaceutical industry. And this gave customers freedom and convenience that they enjoyed the experience. Kaya bumabalik-balik ang customers namin. Hindi madali. There were moments I felt like giving up. But I always analyze every failure. Every mistake is a lesson. Lahat ng pain, magiging gain if you learn from it. Fast forward, we now have branches in Manila, Cavite to cater South Luzon market, Pampanga for the North Luzon market, and soon Cebu, Davao, Cagayan, and Iloilo. All part of our mission to serve more Filipinos. Scaling is not just about money. It's about impact. The more you grow, the more jobs you create, the more lives you touch. Kaya, if you're already running a sari-sari or small business, never stop dreaming and never stop scaling. Build a strong brand identity online. Kahit garage ka lang, look big and credible. Train and empower your team. They represent you. Always make it easy for your customers to make payments. Ordering and communication must be made easy. Solve problems, don't just sell products. Reinvest and improve your systems continuously. Be patient. Scaling takes time, commitment, and sacrifice. If I can start from garage with under 300K and grow into a national distributor as we are now, so can you. You don't have to be perfect to start, but you have to start to become great. Which part of my journey inspired you the most? Please comment below. And if you want more real business stories and practical tips, please subscribe. All right? Again, I'm Alvin. Let's build real businesses and make real impact together. See you on the next video.